Let's enjoy baked oats with fruits and nuts. You will need oats, milk, an egg, apples, pears, honey, vanilla extract, raisins, walnuts, butter, and cinnamon. Whisk 1 egg gently. Add 2 cups of milk. Add a few drops of vanilla extract. Add 3 tablespoons of honey. Whisk the ingredients to dissolve the honey. Add half a cup of raisins. Add half a cup of walnuts. Add 100 grams of melted butter. Chop 2 apples and 2 pears into small pieces. Add the chopped fruit to the bowl. Stir in 4 cups of oats. Add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Mix all ingredients well. Grease an oven dish with butter. Add the mixture to the oven dish. Cover the mixture in water. Place in a preheated oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes, or until all the water evaporates and the surface looks crispy. You can serve the baked oats hot or cold. Once the baked oats cool off, it will be easy to cut the bake into squares. The baked oats will taste nice together with fruits and nuts.